Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a network connection private in Windows 10. By designating your network connection as private, you can customize your network settings and have more control over your device's security and sharing options. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's begin. Step 1. To start, click on the Start button located in the lower left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, navigate to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon or by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard. Step 3. In the Settings window, look for the Network and Internet category and click on it. Step 4. Within the Network and Internet settings, you will find different options. Select the appropriate network type based on your connection. If you are connected via Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi option. If you are connected via Ethernet, click on the Ethernet option. Step 5. Once you have selected the appropriate network type, you will see the name of your current network. Click on the name to open the properties of the current connection. Step 6. In the Properties window, locate the Network Profile header. Under this header, you will find a radio button labeled Private. Click on this radio button to change your network profile to private. By following these simple steps, you can easily make your network connection private in Windows 10. This will allow you to customize your network settings, enhance your device's security, and have more control over sharing options. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content.